Well, folks, update on the Audi A8. Here's the situation. No warning lights. Everything seems to be working, apart from the windscreen wipers, which I still haven't worked out yet. So that's the only thing that doesn't seem to work. So ABS light, check the fuses. The ABS light error was a 1421 pump or something or another. I'll put a detailed explanation later on. And so check the fuses, no problem. I thought it's not the electric wires, because the wires are like 60,000 mile, 20 years old, but the wire are in good nick. So I went to this. This is the ABS pump, I believe. And well, it's been sitting for a long time. So here you got the connector with all the wires and everything going into this pump, right? So basically pulled it out. It was quite hard to get out. Pulled it out, had a look at it. I thought, oh, it looks a bit grubby in there. Got some contact cleaner, soaked the whole thing in, put the thing back in, clipped it back on, and the fault is gone. So it probably was just a false contact. Here's hoping, because I don't fancy getting this pump replaced, because it's very expensive apparently. So happy days. Now just need to wait for the insurance to kick in a couple of weeks and then go for an MOT. That's brilliant.